So good morning everyone. So I just wake up and now I will take brush, and after that I will start solving code based bugs. Actually I am able to solve jQuery bugs, but there is some still error in dashboard component. So I will start after doing the brush. So today weather is little cloudy. Sun is inside the cloud. Yeah, so you can see in the sky the cloud is just moving a little bit. uh, if I see try to in this part, the sky is little like blue, and cloud is moving, so sometimes it becomes white and again blue. You can see in the sky like. So it's almost 8 o'clock, so people are start doing their work, like someone is on shop. So let's go and try. I will try to fix the bugs now. So it's 8 o'clock. So in this like you can see the bugs in dashboard components. Whenever I try to compile, there is a error in like dashboard components due to some module build failed, and some other errors like due to in bar component like also like. So I start solving the bugs. So I have solved the CSS related bugs. Like there was a bugs in import statement of Chartist library CSS file. Like in older version there is a file like chartist.css, but in newer version it's removed. So I have to replace the chartist.css with index.css. So like there is an importing error, and other is error in app module CSS and dashboard.css file. That is also related to CSS. So now I have another errors I can show. So now only two error is left. One is related to Chartist package, and other is message service related error. So let's try to solve. So it's now 8:45, and now I have solved one more errors like related to add operators in RxJS. So it is duplicated now. So I have used take operators instead of add from RxJS operators, and also solve some other errors. So only one error is now left. Let's try to solve this. So it's 9:20 and I have solved the compile time error, but in a browser if I inspect, there is some errors related to Firebase. So that I will solve in Office. So let's go for Office.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And
so I have taken a bus from Agra to Silk Road, like a 500 bus that will go in like electronic city. So I will change bus on Silk Road to Jayadeva Hospital. So if I can show you, like on Friday there is a less traffic as compared to other days.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
I will take a 500-meter walk, and after that I will take a bus from Gopalan Mall, that is also called as Miko Layout.
Sky